Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney on Discord. So let's begin. So here we are in Midjourney, and to join the server just like this one is all you need to do is go here, navigate in the left side of your Discord and go to the bottom. And from here you can see the explore discoverable servers button, so you want to click on it. And once you click, you will be prompted right here. So once you're here, you want to go into explore communities and you want to type in Midjourney. So you want to type in and hit enter. And once you do that, then you would be able to see the Midjourney server right here. And as you can see, it has the verified check mark right there. So you want to make sure that it has this check mark. It's very important so that you would know that this is the legit server. And once you've navigated it, then you can just click on it and you would be able to join that server right here. So once you're here in the server, all you have to do now is go into the newcomer rooms, and from here then you can just go and use the commands for your Midjourney. So you can just go in the message and type slash, and then from here you can go for imagine right here. As you can see, we have the imagine prompt right here. So once you have typed slash imagine, then you want to press enter or space, then you would be able to use this prompt. So you want to type your prompt now, maybe Star Wars Disney theme versus Marvel, just like that maybe, and click or press and enter. But I don't have a subscription, that is why it's appearing like this. And for your information, the free trial for Midjourney is not available right now, so because of due to high demand. So you won't be able to use it, so you would really need to pay for a subscription if you want to use Midjourney. And if you're using Midjourney and you have no idea on what to do, then all I can teach you is this button right here. If you're wondering what is U1, U2, U3, U4, and V1, V2, V3, V4. So U simply stands for upscale, while V stands for version. So if you're gonna press U3, then it would upscale the photo number 3 right here. But if you press V3, then it would make more versions of the picture number 3 right here, just like for example this image right here. So that's basically it. And if you're pretty satisfied with an image, for example, you're pretty satisfied with this image number 4, then you would want to upscale it right here so that you would be able to save it to your computer. And just like that, you have successfully used Midjourney bot right here using their Imagine prompts. And if you'd like to learn more on how you can create amazing prompts, then you can check out my other videos. And yeah, see you in the next video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.